anyone who works in supply chain knows that there are a ton of documents involved and that there's always something wrong with them. There's always a piece missing, or there's some misunderstanding about the semantic nature of the data. It might be syntactically correct, but might be semantically different. And really one of the things that we're seeing people do is to think, how can we, first of all, digitize this, but how can we automate the processes that do all the matching? Because it's the matching that is causing the problem at the moment. And this relates really to all kinds of processes that are part of the digitization, not just of supply chain, but of the economy generally. So one of the things that we find, we do these surveys with our readers and our Forrester clients, and we do them from time to time to ask them what they're really investing in and why. And I think the interesting thing you can see here is that people have gone through a stage of investing in process automation around reducing costs, but they're going to be still doing it 2 years from now. Notice also the worker productivity. We've heard a lot about the Great Resignation and shortage of people. One of the things that people don't like doing is trying to match data into mechanical, repetitive processes, which really are better done by automation. And notice also the significance here of customer experience in all of this. So yes, digital transformation is the big story, but there's a lot of detail behind it. And it's not too surprising that we find 76% of our respondents are saying that for them, this end-to-end automation is a primary driver of what they're trying to do, what they're trying to change. Not just about documents, but about the whole way in which their supply chain and ultimately their relationship with their customers runs. So what are they trying to do? They're trying to automate every piece of this. So they're trying to take away the paper and the spreadsheets, and everyone will know this. If you ever worked in a port or a transportation office, people are trying to solve, it's like trying to solve Rubik's Cube. You're trying to solve an n-dimensional problem, but you're trying to solve it with a spreadsheet, and sometimes with email and telephone calls. And increasingly what people want to do is to move that to a single platform that enables them to harmonize the data that they're exchanging, but also to have the latest version of it, to have a real-time view of what's arriving and what's going out, and to be able to respond to their customers well.